The Silicone Finishing Kit contains silicone refiner, a smooth finishing spray, and a silicone finishing tool. Silicone refiner uses rapid dry technology, so it dries quickly without affecting the silicone curing time. Here we're going to show you what happens today in the market when a contractor does silicone on an area. He does something like this, okay, and then he tries to shape that silicone. We'll do the same thing again. We'll put a bead of silicone. Okay, and then we'll spray Fila silicone refiner. Then we use the silicone finish tool, include it. The tool and the silicone refiner allows you a more professional finish as opposed to this.